All right, so guys, here's the deal. All right, before we get into the vocabulary quiz here on the 23rd of April, I want to bring you guys to what you guys should have gotten done for the week and up to this point. Okay, all right. On on Wednesday, six of you guys actually turned in the assignment that was going to help you prepare for today. Okay, and that was a really sweet cahoots. And honestly, the cahoots is going to look very similar to today, the quiz. Also, looking back, I had a handful of you guys who actually did the Ed puzzle and turned it in. That Ed puzzle is actually very helpful for today's vocabulary quiz. All right. And then on yesterday, we had the practice problem. Seven of the class members turned that in. So I want you guys to kind of get that it's like a stair step or a ladder. One assignment builds on a second assignment, which builds on a third assignment, which brings us to Friday. So your ability, for the fourth marking period of doing super good is going to be based on you simply walking up that ladder. All right. So if you skip the first step, all right, and we're now on the third or the fourth step, you may not have the foundation. Okay, I hope that makes sense to everybody because that is going to be what the fourth quarter looks like. Okay, all right. Now, here's what I'm showing you that's something different, something new, and that's why I'm recording this. All right, Mr. Duncan, how you doing today, my friend?
Good. How are you?
Good. Okay. All right. So today I have shared out with you guys that weekend homework is for you to take 20 minutes and practice using vocabulary terms and see my video. I'm actually making the video as we talk, honors class. So the words that we're going to be interacting with is equations, expressions, inverse operation, integers, variables, reciprocal, rational, coefficient, and exponent. And by clicking this link right here, it's going to take you to this website here. It's a website I believe you guys have used in maybe Miss Lemon's class. But here we go. Each one of the terms, it's set up so you can learn it if you don't get it. All right. It it should
Equation, a number sentence with an equal sign. Expression, a number sentence without an equal sign.
okay. So it goes through what it sounds like, and now okay. There's this other feature called the flashcard feature. Okay. So if I hit my flashcard feature, um, it looks like this. So it tells me the term variable, and then I can kind of say, oh, variable is blah, blah, blah. And then it will, oh, I think I hit something without realizing. So let me hit play. Actually, let me switch back and forth here. Coefficient, value. Okay. All right. So Mr. McCrae appreciates the fact that you guys probably know how to navigate this more than me. So I'm not going to spend a lot of time, but the goal here is for you guys to interact with the vocabulary. Um, in that context, that is going to be what your weekend looks like. So after flashcard period is over, you can guys, there's actually a game setting as well, which I was more interested myself is the game setting. Um, Let me find it. Um, yeah, I think it's the matching game. You ever play that matching game called Concentration, Mr. Duncan, back in the day?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, yeah. All right. So the game function is what I'm most interested in you guys playing with. All right. So, real quick in the chat box, if there's questions about what this weekend assignment is supposed to do or be about, let me know now so I can answer it. Because I don't want to put you off on an island and you don't know what you're supposed to be doing. All right. You see anything in the chat box, Mr. Duncan?
No.
No. Okay. Okay. Well, cool. Well, I'm going to stop this recording so I can publish it to YouTube, and we're going to actually transition to our class. So we're going to stop this, and then I'm going to turn back on my camera.